There's finally movement through the Suez Canal after the massive container ship blocking the waterway was successfully refloated. The Ever Given ship had been lodged there for nearly a week, causing an enormous logjam that wreaked havoc on global supply chains. Our Jae-hee has more details.
The giant container ship Ever Given that had been stranded in the Suez Canal is finally free after being stuck for nearly a week. Egypt's Suez Canal Authority said on Monday local time that Ever Given was successfully refloated and that marine traffic in the canal will resume. The dislodging comes after rising tide helped tugboats shift the vessel. The international maritime community was reassured by the news. The massive container ship had been stuck blocking the vital waterway since last Tuesday, causing disruption to global shipping. Hundreds of trapped vessels have been waiting in agony to restart their journeys, with every passing day blocking an estimated $10 billion in trade. As traffic resumes in the Suez Canal, stranded ships are expected to be allowed through on a first-come, first-served basis. The traffic jam in one of the world's biggest trade routes is likely to be cleared in the following days. Meanwhile, Russia's Sputnik news agency says Egypt will demand compensation from the owner of the Ever Given for all the consequences of the grounding of the vessel, such as the full cost of the use of tugs. Sputnik cited the Egyptian president's aid on the development of seaports and the Suez Canal as its source. The accident is estimated to have cost Egypt around $14 million a day. Jae-hee, Arirang News.